Good morning students, I am Vaishali Hazare. Today I am going to teach you subject History and Civics. Standard 7, lesson number 1, Sources of History. We have learned about material sources, written sources and oral sources. Now we are going to learn about Let's Learn. Since ancient times, coins like kavdi, damdi, dhela, pai, paisa, ana and rupee were used. Some local proverbs are based on coins. For example, एक फुटकी कवडी देणार नाही. Here, फुटकी कवडी means the lowest bit of money. 16 आना सच means 100% true. Now we are going to learn Do you know? The Povada of Tanaji given below is an extract from Povada composed by Tulsidas Shahir. He portrayed the Kondanas campaign in it. The Povada contains beautiful character sketches of Tanaji, Shelar Mama, Shivaji Maharaj, Veer Mata, Jijabai, etc. मामा बोलाया तो लागला 80 वर्षीचा म्हातारा लगीन राहिले रायबाचे तो मजला सांगावी माझ्या तानाजी सुभेदारा जे गेले सिंहगडाला त्याचे पाठीरे राहिले नाही पुढारे राहिले ज्याने अंबारे खाईला बाठा बुजरा लाविला त्याचे झाड होऊनी आंबे बांधले किल्ला हाती नाही आला सिंहगड किल्ल्याची वार्ता काढू नको तानाजी सुभेदारा जे गेले सिंहगडाला ते मरून शानी गेले तुमचा सपाटा होईल असे बोलू नको रे मामा आम्ही सूर मर्द क्षत्री नाही भिनार मरणाला. Points to remember. Middle period of Indian history from 9th century CE to 18th century CE. Next point, history. History gives us a chronological, scientific and systematic account of past events. Then after, 4 pillars or 4 factors of history. And that factors are individuals, society, place and time. Now sources of history. History must be based on authentic evidence or proofs. These are known as sources of history. There are the 3 types of sources of history: material sources, written sources and oral sources. In material sources, forts, monuments, buildings, coins, inscriptions, cave sculptures, copper plates. Forts. The forts in that 4 type of forts: hill forts, forest forts, sea forts, forts on the plains. Monuments include samadhis, graves, virgala. Then after, buildings. Buildings include palaces, ministerial mansions, queen's quarters, houses of common people. Then whenever we looking at fort, monument and building, we come to know about development of architecture, economic condition, quality of art, style of building constructions, people's standard of living in that particular period. Then the coins. The coins made by different rulers using metals like gold, silver and copper. Coins. From these coins we learn about rulers, governance, religious ideas, personal details. From images of Ram Sita on coins of Emperor Ashoka and from images of Shiva Parvati on the coins of Hyder Ali, we see the religious coordinations of those days. Then Peshwa used Arabic and or a Persian language on the coins. From that we get information about language in that period. Inscriptions. The inscriptions Brihadeshwara temples at Tanjavur and many inscriptions of period Chalukya, Rashtrakuta, Chola and Yadav kings. And in written sources, the writing style of scripts Devanagari, Arabic, Persian and Modi. And that times Bhurjapatras, religious manuscript, treatises, edicts, decrees, biographies, painting. We have learned about travelogues also. Travelers from other countries came to India and they have written on account of their travels. Some of travelers are Al-Biruni, Ibn Battuta, Niccolo Manucci and Tariq or Tawarik also we have learned. Tariq means the sequence of event. Tawarikhs written by Al-Biruni, Jiwadin Barani, Maulana Ahmed, Yahabin Ahmed, Mirza Haidar, Bhimsen Saxena. Bakhar is a type of chronicle that originated in Maharashtra. Chronicles help in understanding aspects like political happening, linguistic transactions, cultural life, social condition. Some of these chronicles are Mahikawatichi Bakhar, Sabasad Bakhar, Chitnisachi Bakhar, Bhausahibachi Bakhar. And the work of contemporary Western historians like Robert R., M.C. Sprengel and Grant Duff. Oral sources in that Ovids, folk songs, povadas, folk tales, legends and myths. Students, write all important points in your notebook. Thank you, students.